Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video for you guys. I have got, it's like a haul slash unboxing video of a brand called Tropic. I'm not sure if you guys will know anything about this brand. I don't know anything about it, but my cousin has started, she's like a rep and she like sells the products. So she sent me some products just to try out for you guys. So I thought I'd do a little haul video because I have a box right here. Love makeup goodies. So I think she said she was just going to send me like some of the makeup stuff. So let's have a look and see what we have. I'm excited. I'm excited. Ooh. Ooh, okay, let me just read this first. My passion for creating skincare recipes that feed the skin stems from my childhood in Cairns, tropical North Queensland, Australia. Age 15, I freshly made my first batch of body scrub in my kitchen, poured it into 50 jam jars and sold them at Greenwich Market in London, selling out on my first day. Awesome. Now I love the help of Tropic's beauty chefs. Now I have the help of Tropic's beauty chefs who freshly make all of our 100+ natural. So this is basically all natural and all vegan products. I know that that is going to be something that will interest a lot of people. I know like quite a lot of my viewers are like vegan, cruelty free, all of that, which is really, really good. And this, I think, is a really, really good brand for that. So yeah, that is like the one thing I know about these products is the whole cruelty free and vegan side of it. So let's basically just get into this and see what we've got inside this box. So what I'm thinking, if there's like a full face of beauty products in here, I'm going to do another video after this one as like a testing video, and I'll just do like a full face impressions kind of thing. So let's just see what we've got. So the first thing I'm seeing is a mineral eyeshadow palette, Brown Eyed Girl. This is what it looks like. Ignore my fringe, by the way, you guys. Like, I don't know what's going on with my hair. Don't know what's going on. So let's have a little look-see. Oh, it's a cute little palette, and I'm hoping there might be something with prices in here for you guys. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like, and it's just basically very neutral and natural, so you could get a really nice natural look. You can also get a nice smoky look with this as well, so that's probably what I'll do. Maybe like a natural, like a neutral glam, I don't know. We'll decide that when we do it, you know what I'm saying. Ooh, a brow collection. The Perfect Brow Collection. Hello gorgeous, are you ready for brow perfection? Hold your chosen eyebrows. Oh, stencils! I've never used eyebrow stencils before. Are these the stencils? Ooh. Oh, I've done my eyebrows. Oh, okay, so we have some eyebrow stencils. So I've actually never used eyebrow stencils before. But I know when I went to Pro Beauty, there was a brand there that was doing like eyebrow things, and they did like the stencils as well, so... Ooh, okay, definitely trying this out. I feel like this could have its own separate video, but I think I would like to do a full face, so... And then inside it we've got the actual brow thing. Ooh, it's quite heavy. Oh, okay, so you've got like, where are we? Over here you've got like a cream product, which is going to be like a concealer type product to neaten up your brow, and then you've got your brow shade there. I'm guessing that this will come in different shades. This is in the shade, oh, I can't say that word. Ochre? Ochre? Thanks, Catherine, for that one. But I'll just show you it actually, so you can see what shade it's in if you are wanting to go out and buy it. Although, obviously, I will let you guys know that when I am actually using it, because oh, it's on the front as well. I'm guessing that's the shade. I might be lying and that might not even be the actual shade. That might just be a word they wanted to just put on. Enhance and frame your eyes with our professional brow palette for perfectly arched, immaculate eyebrows in an instant. That is what we all want out of life, after all. Yes, it is. Okay, cool. I'm excited about this, you guys. Ooh, I'm so excited about it. Oh, I just wish I could. Oh, why did I have to have makeup on already? Okay, what else have we got? Oh, a sculpting palette. Oh, please be a really shimmery highlight. Please be a really, really shimmery highlight. Ooh! So you guys will know I love these kind of palettes. This is definitely a Sammy kind of palette. It looks very, very similar to my Sleek one that I've got. And what else? Sleek and, is it Revolution? No. Oh, that one that I really, really liked, that I was excited about last year. But I am actually just going to do a little swatch of this highlight. Ooh. Ooh. So it's not mega shimmery, it's quite a natural. I think it's kind of like the one I've got on actually. But yeah, we will be able to see more when I actually use it on my face. So I'm definitely going to give that a bash. So far we've got eyebrows, eyeshadows, sculpting. So as long as there's like a foundation, what else do we need? That's it, a foundation. And mascara. Which I'm sure she said something about mascara. Oh, I'm seeing a concealer as well. We didn't need a concealer for a full face, but we're definitely going to use it. We're definitely going to use it. So this is an SPF 35 concealer. It's in light. So like I said, I'm not 100% sure on like, I don't know anything about this, so I don't know how many different shades there are. But there is a little booklet in here, so I'm going to have a little look in that as well. I need something to help me open this without breaking it, because these are not my products. I will be giving these back to my lovely cousin. She's just sent me them to have a little play with and see what I think. So, oh, okay. Now you guys will know, if you've been watching me for a while, I am super pale. So if this matches, I'll be very shocked. Because nothing matches me. That is actually quite light. Oh. I'm not sure if that's going to be light enough though. I definitely think it'll be fine for the skin, but it probably won't be like the best under eye for me, just because I'm so freaking pale. Literally nothing matches me. But you're probably not really going to be able to see. You can see that highlight though. Highlight is the jam. It's my jam. It's my chutney. Oh, shut up, Sam. What are you on about? Right. So let's see what else we've got. I'm seeing in here a silk gel liner. Oh yeah, a lip product as well. I didn't even think about that. We need a lip product as well. But I'm seeing a lip liner. Silk gel liner. So is this for your eyes then? Film Noir. So this is going to be black. Gel liner. Ooh. What is this? What is this? Oh! So it's not black. Stripped. Ah. Oh. Hang on. She's put them in the wrong box. Catherine, you've put them in the wrong box. So this is actually, this is the silk gel liner in stripped. And I think this is for the lips. Ooh. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. That was in the wrong box, I think. Because I think that was this one. Yes, stripped. So it's fine. Just, I'm very easily confused. So, you know, try not to confuse me too much. This is then the silk gel liner in Film Noir. And this is a black. I'm really liking the feel of these, I'm not going to lie. Look how pigmented they are. They're well pigmented. I'm so tempted to use that lip liner now. Should I put that lip liner on now? Because I actually don't have anything on my lips. Right, okay, I cannot wait now. I'm getting excited. I just want to do the makeup look now. I'm probably actually, as you're watching this, well, not as you're watching this, as I'm filming this, I'm probably going to film the makeup one tomorrow. But I don't know when you guys are going to see it. I'm so sorry. It's definitely going to go up in December though, I promise. Let's just line the lips at least. Oh, I really like that. It's proper soft. Have we got a lips? Yes, we have got lipstick. Let me see what colour the lipstick is, because I might put that on now as well. This is just a sneak peek. You guys are so lucky. Oh, this is in the shade Poppy, so is this going to be really red? It might not go with a lip liner. How do I open it? Ooh, that's quite posh. Ooh, I like that. Right, so this is not going to go with a lip liner at all. So I'll keep this for the makeup video. Oh my god, I love that. I've never seen that before. That's well cool. I'll keep that for the makeup video, and I'm just gonna use this on my lips now. I like that colour. Right, I'm gonna need to sharpen that now because I've just basically like blunted it all. I really like that colour. That is so... Ooh, it matches my hair too. Okay, I like that colour. That is probably... I reckon that's probably like a popular shade. We've also got... we've got a lip glaze. This can probably go on over the top of this now. So yeah, when I do like the full face, I'll probably use the lipstick because if I will go for something kind of like Christmassy. And a red lip will be perfect for that. So let's put this on. Oh my god. What does that smell like? What does that smell like? Oh my god, it smells like something. Oh, it's going to really annoy me. I love this. I'm proper liking this. It smells like... Okay, it doesn't really taste like it, but it smells like... I don't know what it is. It's some sort of food. Some sort of like... sweet. Like, I think it's like a donut. I think it smells like a donut. It smells like donuts! I love it. It smells like donuts, yes. If you've been watching me for a while, you'll know that I am obsessed with like scents and like nice scenty things. I smell everything and yeah. Right, okay, I think that's probably my favourite product so far. Just so you can see. I think that's like my favourite product. I love that. I love the smell of that. Oh, yes. Right, okay, what else am I seeing? What else am I seeing? Ooh, lash extension kit. Okay, and we've got a brush here. I'm not sure what brush this is. I am going to have a really quick look. I don't want this video to be super... Oh my god, we're already on like nearly 15 minutes. Whoops. I'll try and cut it down a little bit. So I think this is like a fibre one. Yeah, so this is like a fibre lash thing. So we will definitely use this in the video. We've got like the fibres and then the gel. I think I have done a video on a fibre lash product before, so that'll be fun. I'll do that in... I won't do like separate first impressions for everything because it's like just like a one brand. I can get like do it all in one video, which I think will be really, really good. So what is this? Instructions for application are on every product. Oh, okay. I mean, I think I'll be alright because I'm like obsessed with makeup, so I'm sure I'll be fine. But, ooh, okay. This is reminding me. So we've got these little tubs. This is bringing back my memories in the olden days from Bare Minerals. So Bare Minerals, I absolutely love this product from Bare Minerals. But I used to use the like loose powder that they do. So we've got Beauty Booster, which I'm guessing that that's going to be like a primer. Then we've got the foundation. Now this is where we're going to have issues, guys. Like, this is going to be way, way too dark for me because everything is. But I'm still gonna use it. Oh, it's going to be so dark. Oh, actually, it might just make me look like I've got like a tan. But I'll just have to like bring it all the way down my neck. But I'm definitely going to do it because I definitely want to try it out. I am actually looking for like a new foundation. I wonder if they do a flat powder version. If they do, probably going to get it. Well, I'm going to try it first and see what it's like. But yeah. I think they've stopped doing that Bare Minerals one. I'm absolutely gutted. So, oh, I love this brush. I love this brush already. If you've been watching me for a while, you'll also know I have a brush addiction. Makeup brushes, now nail acrylic brushes. It feels well soft. So this is what we will use to apply it. Brilliant. I've literally got everything I need for full face, 100%. Oh, I can see something else as well, and I don't know what that is. I might have a play with that now. Right, okay, so we've got like a mineral veil. I'm guessing that's what that is as well. Soft Focus Perfecting Powder. Yeah, so I'm reckoning I'll put that on. I will read the instructions, by the way, in the actual video before I do it. Okay, so let's just pop that there. What is this? Summer Goddess. I am a summer god. Oh, okay, yeah, I think she mentioned this to me as well. Oh, okay, I think we could, shall we, there's two, is there two? Are they different? Let's have a look. Instant Glow. Oh my word! Okay, that's really dark. So they're two different things. This could be a separate video, couldn't it? So maybe I might do a video on this. This is the Perfecting Leg Serum, and I reckon this is going to be quite dark. That needs to, I need to do like a video, I think, just on this as like a first impressions. So maybe that might be going to come, you guys. And then shimmering body oil. So let's try this now. Oh my gosh, right, okay. Where do I put it? Let's just put it on my arm. I'm scared. Oh, okay, let's just put it on my arm and see what happens. Oh, it feels nice. Ooh, it smells. Doesn't have like a massive scent. I guess with them being natural products, most of it won't probably have like scents to it, will it? I don't know. But, oh, I'm gonna have to do the other arm as well. That would be so nice in this, obviously, like, we're in winter now, guys, aren't we? So I feel like that would be nice in the summer, but it definitely, it feels really soft. It feels really, really soft, but it doesn't feel like that's soaked in straight away. Like, it doesn't feel like greasy. Oh, I love it. Right, so I'm thinking then maybe I might have to do a separate video with these. It is kind of not probably the time of year for it, although, like, I know, like, people go on holiday all year round and stuff as well, don't they? I don't know, let's have a look. Oh, okay, we've got something here. Instant Glow. I'm really sorry if this is a super long video. Instant Glow Perfecting Leg Serum. So we've got some prices here, that's good. So the leg serum is £24. It's a big bottle, that, as well. It's 180ml. I'm not going to read too much about it because, like I said, that will come in another video. Yeah, so it's got the information on how to use it and all of that there. Awesome, because that is probably the only thing where I would like to sort of kind of know what they advise. So then we've also got this little booklet. Oh, so I'm going to actually have a look through this, you guys. I know you guys can't. So there is an advent calendar, but I've already done all the advent stuff. So unfortunately I missed out on that this time. But oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. So I'm not going to do that on camera. Like, you guys don't want to see me look through a catalogue. But yeah, we've got another one here as well. I'll just hide the address. But we've just got another little catalogue. So I will have a good look through the catalogue. I'll get myself, like, in the know-how with it all before I do the next video. I want both these videos to go up throughout December. So I'm going to find out now where I'm going to put them. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was literally just, well, it was supposed to just be an unboxing video. We kind of had a little bit of a play with some of the products as well. I love this lip gloss. Is it actually called a lip gloss? Like, oh, lip glaze. This one, by the way, is in pink champagne. You can't really tell what the lip gloss would have looked like because I put the eyeliner on all of my lips because I didn't know that the lip gloss was like, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm liking the lip gloss, probably my favourite thing so far, although it's like, I only tried that and one other thing, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. If you are interested in more of the Tropic stuff, I will leave Catherine's details down below. I think she's got a Facebook page. Yeah, so I'll leave a Facebook. I'm not going to leave like a personal profile down below because she probably won't want me to do that. But I'll leave like a Facebook page down below, and then if you are interested, you will be able to contact her and get hold of these products. But keep watching because I will have a first impressions video, like a full face tutorial, first impressions, testing video out probably within the next week after you've seen this one. Within about a week of seeing this one. So excited! Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below, especially if you know anything about this brand or if you are interested, just let me know down below. I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye!